Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to be going over how to install a shower pan drain flange. And what we had here was an old plastic shower pan. And we're going to be building our own shower pan that's going to have ceramic tile and all that. But besides that, if you're going to be building your own shower pan for people who are beginners, you're going to have to remove this and get the shower pan drain flange that's made for locking in the plastic sheeting, PVC sheeting that you're going to be buying that's going to go into here. But I've already cut this one out and I used a Dremel. They do make a tool that looks like just a straight little bar with a little like knifey edge on it, but this works just as good. So I got a little Dremel and you see what's happening. I just insert it into the pipe before I cut it and I stuck it in there and I just cut a circle and I got it out. This way I could take this to the hardware store with me and get, I don't have one of these, but I'm just showing, I'm gonna go get it, the correct size that's going to go onto this, and a little bit of a PVC that's gonna connect onto the new drain flange that I'm gonna purchase. So that's how you cut this out, is you're actually not breaking your entire floor out to get on the outside of it. You're actually cutting it from the inside with the tool, going in like that and just going in a complete circle, and you can get it out. This way, when I take this to the hardware store with me, I know what size pipe I'm dealing with to get my connection. And if you're a first time using rubber cement, make sure that you prime on the inside of your pipe. I know it's not pressurized, but after time, rubber cement can break away and start to leak. So get you some of that primer. It's $2 or $3. Prime the inside before you do it, and you got one shot at it, because once you rubber cement, you're gonna have to stick this all the way on. When I do this, I like to, when you do lock these in place and your measurements are right, you push down on this. When you push down, give it a twist. That way, anywhere the rubber cement didn't get contact with will bleed in all the way around, and you'll be all set, and you know you're not going to have a leaky drain flange. So I hope this video helps you out and gives you guys an idea on how to cut that sucker out. So thanks for watching.